everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. We just got a delivery from Misfits Market. I was sitting in the parking lot outside of one of the rinks when I placed this order. I meant to go back in and edit the order, and I did not do that because I totally forgot until after the cutoff time. I honestly don't remember what I got. I probably didn't get things I should have gotten, and I probably got some things that I didn't need. So we're gonna open this up and find out what I did. How many of you have done that? I know some of you in the Friends of Misfits Market group on Facebook have said that you've done that. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what your experience has been with doing what I did this time. Remember, this is not sponsored by Misfits Market or anyone else for that matter. I pay for this box. If you're interested in giving Misfits a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can save money off your first order. And I get a little something too, and that helps me make these videos for you guys. So thank you to all of you that have done that. Let's get the box open and find out what's in here. A very soupy ice pack with that weird piece of cardboard that they put on top. In my opinion, serves no purpose at all. What do you think? Those pieces of cardboard that they put on top, and this insulation is not the greatest either. Okay, so we have some of this take and bake bread, and this is the artisan loaf. Here's the thing though, this is sealed. This is just an outer bag, but I mean, what happened here? You know what? It's all slimy from the ice pack. So I'm just gonna put this on the shelf of the messy pantry like this. That's not how it should have come though. Oh look, an empty box. Seriously, that's an empty box. It says apricot on it. But there's absolutely nothing in here. It's an empty box. Interesting. I don't even see any loose apricots in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, Misfits. Some tomatoes. We literally got an empty box marked apricot. Maybe we'll find them somewhere in here. Some baby spinach, and this is Earth Greens, best by August 1st, and today is, I can never remember what day it is. Do you have that problem? July 26th. This is good until August 1st, so we have some time. Some baby kale, and this is best by August 1st as well. It's also Earth Greens. I'm wondering where the apricots went. I meant to go in and choose either this kale or that kale. Instead, I got both of them because I forgot to go back in. But you know what? This looks like baby kale too. It's very small. It's not like that enormous kale we got that one time. Do you remember that? It was like this big that one time. Wow. Okay. So we got some Cape Organic, and these are supposed to be heirloom tomatoes. This one has seen better days. Look at that. It is very smushed and disgusting. And this one has also seen better days. I'm not even gonna say what that looks like. This one is very bruised. So that was an epic fail. Oh my goodness. We're gonna search for the apricots that are supposed to be in this empty box. Some lemons. These look very misfitty. Okay. Not like those tomatoes, which are well beyond misfitty. Those are just bad. Oh, I found the apricots. I was losing hope. These are the smallest apricots I have ever seen. Look at how tiny they are. And that's the kind of thing you do expect from Misfits. Small or large, excessively small or excessively large produce. But what you don't and what you shouldn't get from Misfits is those tomatoes. Nasty. Ugh. A lime. Summer squash. This looks okay. Oh no. the gel ice pack got all over the portobello mushrooms. And now I'm all slimy. Yeah, it's inside. How did it get inside? Well, that's kind of a shame. Have you had that happen to you with these gel ice packs? Yeah. So far, not the best, and definitely not the best packing experience. What is this? Some apple cider vinegar. And I got this mainly because I use it in my hair. Do you guys do that? I mean, we also cook with it. This is Bragg, and this has unpasteurized with the mother, and that's the cloudy stuff that you see that settles to the bottom. And it's organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, the best kind. Some broccolini. We love our broccolini around here. Some cherries. And they look like dark cherries. This is organic sweet cherries, and these are from Washington State. They look like they're fine. Some Brussels sprouts. It's been a long time since we got Brussels sprouts. I'm hoping Colin will eat them because I kept feeding him Brussels sprouts because he said he liked Brussels sprouts. And then one day he goes, you know what? I don't like them that much. So I haven't ordered Brussels sprouts in a while, but now we have some to mix it up a little. Holy leek. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that leek. Holy leek. And this one. These are ginormous. Well, this is ginormous. This is just a little bigger than normal. But this is the biggest leek I have ever seen. What do you guys think of this? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Holy leeks. Some corn, and these are interesting. At least the tops aren't cut off. So, you know, that's a win. And then we've got, oh, there's another little tiny apricot down here. Look at another one. We got 4 of those. Some more limes. Some more mayonnaise, because it's actually really hard to find this mayonnaise. Another summer squash. A couple more limes. Some scallions that have gotten slimy from that ice pack. Misfits, if you're watching, maybe just rethink the ice pack on top of the box. I mean, I say this every time, not directly to you, but I do say every time that is not the best way to pack. There are other ways that other companies do this where this doesn't happen. So it is possible. If you think about it, I'm sure you can figure out another way to do this. Because if I could fix one thing about Misfits, it would be the packing and the ice pack mess. Some haricots verts or French green beans. And when I ordered these, if I'm remembering correctly, it just said green beans. But these are the best kind. These are the haricots verts French green beans. I love these. Some red onions. And it turns out we didn't really need these, but I forgot to go in and change my order. And some russet potatoes, 2 of those. These look like normal sized potatoes. The ones we were getting, do you remember we've been getting ones that were like really small potatoes. Okay, so let me show you what we've got here. It's actually quite a bit of stuff. And then we'll go over my receipts so you guys know what I spent on this. So we got these nasty tomatoes, and they're super gross. We got the portobello mushrooms, which had the ice pack on it. Apricots. These tomatoes are good. The kale and the spinach, the baby kale and the spinach. And then we've got all this fresh produce. And we've got the apple cider vinegar, the bread, and the mayonnaise. So what did I spend on this? That's a good question. Oh, and I want to thank Shannon J for signing up. I think it was last week. Shannon J signed up for Misfits and she used my code. I don't see anybody else that did it last week. Anton N signed up and used my code. I think that was the previous week. But thank you guys, because that really helps me out. I appreciate it. I hope that you're enjoying Misfits. So, my order. We got the limes. It says 5 for $2.19. And it looks like I got, yeah, I got 5. Okay. Apricots, it says 3 for $2.49. I got 4 very small ones. The cherries were $4.75. And again, this is all organic, guys. So I went to Trader Joe's. Sorry, I didn't take the camera with me because it was one of those times where I had 40 minutes between lessons. So rather than just sit in the parking lot, I went to Trader Joe's and I picked up some things that we had run out of from Trader Joe's. And I did get some cherries. They had cherries for $3.99, but they were not organic. Scallions were 99 cents. These good tomatoes were $2.19. The red onions were $1.99. The broccolini was $2.69. The heirloom tomatoes, which are disgusting, are $2.99. So I'm gonna send Misfits a note about that. Hopefully I'll get a credit. I usually do. The loose kale was $1.69. The corn was $2.49. The Brussels sprouts were $3.29. The russet potatoes were 2 for 99 cents. And that's respectable. The green beans were $3.99, and I feel like that's good. The portobello mushroom cups, $2.69. The spinach was $2.99. The baby kale was $2.99. That's this one. The leeks were $2.79. That's a good deal. The apple cider vinegar was $4.99. The organic mayonnaise was $5.49. And the bread was $3.99. So my subtotal was $62.14. Shipping was $4.50, and I had $23.27 in credits. Some of that was from you guys using my code, but some of that was also because I had some credits from my last order where there was some stuff messed up. So my total was under $50. It was $43.37. And Misfits says that's a savings of $28.75. But what do you guys think? Is this a good value for what I paid? What do you think of those ice packs? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and just post it to your social media too. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week and sometimes more. Last week I had more. And at least one of those, sometimes more, is an unboxing. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Happy cooking and happy eating. Thank you for watching. Bye.